Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Claudia and I enjoy doing videos on cleaning and lifestyle. Today I started my cleaning routine with my beauty room slash closet. This room gets so messy, you guys, because I come in here every single day and I get ready in here before work. I come after work and I lay all my stuff down here. So this room gets a lot of love every single day, so it is one of the messiest rooms in the house. I also film my beauty content in here, so I do have a lot of mess from that. And yeah, so basically today I just got all of my gifts out of their gift wrapping, and I put them where they were gonna, be for the rest of the time. And then I organized my makeup and my vanity. It was full of makeup and full of stuff that I use every day, so I put everything away. And then I organized like my jeans and pants and all this stuff that I have on top of this table, because every single morning I just grab everything and see what I'm gonna wear for the day, and whatever I don't have time to put back neatly. So I just throw everything up here, which I know is not great. I need to get better at that, but it is what I do. But yeah guys, so I basically just made sure that everything went in its place, and the end result was amazing. You'll see. By the way, you guys, if you'd like to see any of my beauty or fashion content, that is over on my TikTok and a little bit of my Instagram. My TikTok is at Claudiabeauty and my Instagram is at claudiambetancourt. So if you'd like to see any of that, please go over and head over to those. You'll see all that sort of content there. Here I do the cleaning and the organizing. It was so rewarding to see my vanity this clean again. I couldn't believe it. It felt so good to, be able to use it and not have a mess everywhere. So I was so happy about that. And then basically I just wiped everything down and wiped the mirror, the table, everything. And then I put away all the shoes and all the stuff that I had all over the room. And if you spot Peluso, he was helping like always. He's always helping his mom. But yeah, then I just finished by vacuuming this room and Peluso was in there again. And I did mop this room as well. I just didn't show it, but this was the final result. I was so happy, you guys. It felt so good to finally have this room organized, and I just love it, and it feels good to come in every single day and get ready in here. Next, I went to our living room. I basically just did some dusting throughout all the surfaces, especially this vase. The actual vase was a little dusty and dirty. I think it's also because of what's the pampas. I think it, just makes it dusty. But anyway, I went ahead also and fixed our couch, and after this, I also vacuumed this area. Between us, I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And you may have some. And it had been about 2 weeks now from my birthday party. and I still hadn't taken down the happy birthday sign. I just loved it so much, but it was time to come down. So I took that down, and then if you can spot that pile of laundry on top of my dining room table, you guys, I don't know why I have such a hard time folding laundry. I think I told you guys in my last video that that is one of the tasks that I dread the most. So I just threw it this instance on top of my bed. That's what I did because I just didn't have time at that moment, and then I just did it the next day, and I didn't show it, but I just hate doing the folding and all that stuff. Thankfully, my fiance had done all the dishes and all the washing up for the kitchen, and I'm so thankful for that because, you know, I had so much to do this day that definitely helped a lot. But what I did is I just wiped down all the surfaces, put the last things away, and then, you know, just the little details. I cleaned the stove and all that. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. Can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. Oh, clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried. And the final details were, you know, like always, vacuuming and mopping and making sure everything is pretty clean and in its place. But you guys, I wanted to show you also, after I finished, I went thrifting, and I found the most beautiful set of plates that I want you to see. And you guys, I fell in love with these plates, and I just got inspired, and I created the most beautiful table for dinner that night with candles and everything, and I just think it looks so beautiful. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a thumbs up and comment and subscribe to my channel. Love you guys.